Sleep-in is a place where sadness lives in the walls. I found blood on my sheets and was called a liar. The front desk swore at me and police forced me to leave. Another guest found bed bugs and was told the manager does not care. A homeless man attacked someone in the parking lot and staff refused to help. Rooms are dirty and breakfast is a plastic wasteland. They enter your room without permission. After 20 years of loyalty, they told me my membership meant nothing. It is a beautiful location ruined by people who have forgotten how to be kind.
Businesses near the sleep-in are very disappointing. I went to the local mall and it felt forgot. The play area was filthy and broken. The bathrooms were often out of order. I saw trash everywhere. I then visited a spa expecting a premium treatment. After paying a high price, my specific requests were ignored. The experience felt rushed and incomplete. I ordered food from a nearby Indian restaurant. The meal arrived bland and incorrectly prepared. I found the service to be quite poor. The food did not taste fresh or authentic. In this area, you pay for a standard but receive much less. It is a pattern of neglect. One should manage their expectations carefully.